This Premier Realty Grays Harbor property video is presented by Keren Spangler. Move-in ready home with an immense basement and workshop area. A little TLC and this spacious home could really shine. Large kitchen with lots of counter space was updated about 10 years ago and the 30 years roof is only about 10 years old. Original wood floors and craftsman charm throughout the home. Roomy living room leads into a huge dining room, extra large bedrooms with tall ceilings and large closets. Great first home, or maybe you are downsizing. Appears to be in the 500 years floodplain, lender may require flood insurance. Buyer to verify all. Good luck. For more information, review the details below or contact Keren Spangler at 360-589-8073.